Momentum investing. Think of it like catching a wave while surfing. You want to identify stocks that are already on an upward trajectory and ride that momentum for as long as it lasts. Momentum investors believe that stocks in motion tend to stay in motion. They look for stocks that are showing strong price appreciation and increased trading volume, signaling strong buyer interest. The idea is to get in on the action early and potentially capitalize on further gains. Of course, like any investment strategy, momentum investing has its risks. One of the biggest challenges is knowing when to get in and, more importantly, when to get out. Relying solely on momentum can be like trying to time the market, which can be difficult even for the most seasoned investors. So how do you actually spot these momentum stocks? Well, charts are your best friend. By analyzing historical price data, you can start to identify trends and patterns. Look for stocks that are consistently making higher highs and higher lows over a significant period of time. Technical indicators like moving averages and relative strength index, RSI, can also be helpful tools for gauging momentum. These indicators can provide insights into whether a stock is overbought or oversold, potentially signaling a trend reversal. Remember, though, that past performance is never a guarantee of future results. While historical data can provide valuable clues, it's essential to consider other factors like company news and market sentiment before making any investment decisions. Section 3, momentum isn't everything. Proceed with caution. Now, before you go all in on momentum stocks, it's crucial to understand that this strategy is not without its downsides. Momentum investing can be highly volatile, and those upward trends can reverse quickly, leaving investors with losses if they're not careful. One of the biggest dangers is getting caught up in a market bubble. When investor enthusiasm reaches extreme levels, stock prices can become inflated, leading to unsustainable growth. Eventually, the bubble bursts, and those high-flying momentum stocks can come crashing down. That's why it's crucial to have a well-defined exit strategy when using momentum investing. Set realistic profit targets and stop-loss orders to protect your capital. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket seems to be flying high at the moment.